Deacon and I were just excited and waiting for our new friends to show up, Mike Mersky and Wes Swain. Once they showed up, we packed up the car, hit it on the road, and made our way down to Atlanta, where we were greeted by a warm and gentle face at our hotel.
Good morning.
How are you? Morning.
We dropped our bags and headed over to the convention center with a couple new friends. On our way in, we got a quick demonstration of the Woodmiser LT40. Even watched David Welder film his version of the video, and this thing could be yours for 25 grand. Finally making it through the door, we immediately headed over to the Video Woodworkers booth to meet all the people we came to see.
Look, who made this for me? This is my ham sandwich. I say ham sandwich as a joke, because it's Han Solo. This isn't chocolate, is it?
It's chocolate. Take a bite out of the head, please.
No, is this real chocolate?
It really
I thought it was Chevron wax, like the head.
No chocolate.
Oh, shit, I can't wait. Do you really want me to bite it?
Please do.
Do you have a camera for video as good as the one?
I'm doing it right now.
How about I bite the feet off, the foot off that you fixed? Ice cold.
Ice cold.
I make sure it didn't melt on the way here.
It's like a voodoo doll. Does your foot hurt?
It's still there.
It's still there.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Well, after meeting Jimmy, it was about time we hit the floor and see all the different exhibits out there and meet as many people as we can. And there were a lot of them. Peachtree also showed up and came with a boatload of different knickknacks. A few of them made their way into my shopping cart. What did you expect? In this place, you're bound to run into other YouTubers. The Video Woodworkers booth and all those participants were super gracious with their time and even gave away a number of amazing raffle gifts, like a set of Bosch routers and a Bosch miter saw.
Well, don't judge me because I'm not good at telling jokes. What is Mario and Luigi's overalls made out of? Denim, denim, denim.
And as many times as I see this, it's still pretty amazing. Well, the day was beginning to wind down, and even our little buddy Vance Maker here was beginning to get tired, so we all thought we'd retire, grab a bite to eat, and let the evening activities commence. Unfortunately, due to YouTube content policies, the remaining of the evening's late-night activities have been removed from the video. And now back to our regularly scheduled broadcast. Here's just a collection of some of the great and wonderful people that I met here in Atlanta, and I can't wait until our next get-together. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you the next time.